So, hi YouTube, this is just an update.
So these are all my emails from Cartia Basnight. This is what she sent to me tonight, saying all this radical bullshit. So I sent her all these emails back. She said that the city of Norfolk has no knowledge of anything that's going on between me and Neanderthal. So these are all my emails from Cartia Basnight. This is what she sent to me tonight.
This is what's going on.
All this radical bullshit. So I sent her all these emails back. She said that the city of Norfolk has no knowledge of anything that's going on between me and Neanderthal.
So that's what's going on between me and Cartia Basnight. So that's what's going on. So I just wanted everybody to know that that's what's going on. So I have told her not to contact me again, and that she is on report, and that is what's going on. So she has sent me all these radical bullshit emails saying this, that, and the other thing, and that there's no arson investigation that was done, that there's no arson report, that Mr. Phillips didn't know what was going on, that he had never heard of me, that there was no report, that I had never contacted anybody, that the courts didn't know anything that was going on with me and Neanderthal boy, and midget, and I mean just all kinds of shit. I mean just all kinds of shit. So
from Cartia Basnight.
Oh, hi Miss Kitty. Hi Miss Kitty.
This is what she sent to me tonight.
This is how, see, now she knows I'm upset. So
I sent her all these emails back.
So I told her not to contact me again. Hi Mama. Oh, she never does that. So these are all recorded, and not just that, but I had recorded all the conversations between myself and her. So I had recorded all the conversations between I and her on my YouTube channel, which are all locked, but I will be able to unlock those and post those publicly. It was just absurd, the things that she had sent to me. Not to mention,
this is what she sent to me tonight.
It's Friday night.
Radical bullshit.
I mean, it was just absurd. I asked her, like this one, she had said all this absurd things to me. Just absurd. I mean, totally absurd things to me. That the city of Norfolk didn't know anything, that she knew my cell phone company. She doesn't know anything about my cell phone company. She doesn't know shit about what's going on. I mean, it was just absurd, absurd, absurd things. I mean, this lady is, I asked her if she was on drugs. I mean, it was just absurd things. So I mean, this is what's going on with her. So I'm posting this to my YouTube channel, and I had told her that I had recorded all the conversations, which she is very aware that I have recorded all my conversations with her, and not just with her, but her secretaries in her office. She knows that I'm not ignorant. I'm not a dumb bitch. So I've recorded everything with her, her office, all my phone conversations, not with just her, but with the arson department, the arson investigators, the police department. I've recorded all these conversations with everybody, my voicemails. I've recorded all those. The police, I mean, just everybody, POC, everybody can see that on my YouTube channels. So it's not a hallucination. All my court cases are publicly known on my YouTube channel. So, I mean, this was at 8/22 this afternoon, or 9:22, I'm sorry, that this was going on tonight. So, I mean, this is what she's saying, and this is not what's going on, as you could tell from all the other emails
the city of Norfolk
that
has
corresponded
no
between
knowledge
us.
of anything that's going on between me and Neanderthal.
And, I mean, it's just absurd, and you can see
these are
from
all my emails
all my correspondence with her.
from cartia basnight.
So, I mean, it's not a secret or nothing. So, I mean, it's just ridiculous shit that she's doing, and it's just absurd. I mean, I'm really appalled at how Miss Basnight's behaving in her office, her accusations, her lies, her fabrications. So, that's what's going on now. So I told her that I wanted my case file returned to me by Monday, and that she was on report, that everything's going to be reported to the Department of Justice. So that's what's going on now. And this video will be made public. I'm going to keep it locked for a while to see what happens come Monday morning. And then I will make it public at my discretion, of course. So that's what's happened today. It's Friday. Today's the 16th of January, 2020. And that's what's going on now, YouTube. So it's pretty funny how all these accusations are flying from Cartia Basnight. And it's really funny how she got in touch with me after all these months. Now she wants to make all these accusations that she's tried to get in touch with me. And I've tried to get my case file from her for the last 5 months now. And she's made no attempt whatsoever to get in touch with me. And now all of a sudden, since I've reported her to Department of Justice, now she wants to get in touch with me. And like I said, I've recorded all those conversations between her and myself and her office and her secretary. And I've actually released some of those videos to my YouTube channel publicly, and you can see those on my other videos where her office is just so rude, and they've made no attempt to get anything done with my case. And like I had stated before in other videos, you know, California doesn't know anything about who her office is, who her investigator is. None of these people know who she is, who her law firm is. They've never heard of her. There's no subpoenas that are been filed, anything like that for my case. She's just blatantly a liar. And now all of a sudden she's saying all this other crap. So it's pretty much obvious that, you know, she's just a blatant liar. So there you go, YouTube. You have it for Cartia's office in Hampton, Virginia, Cartia Basnight. So I don't recommend her for any case whatsoever. And I did notice that I'm the only white client that she has. Just to put that out there, too.